Are auxiliary lights a nice-to-have accessory or an absolute necessity? While you ponder that, we're going to get to work on the lighting for our 2020 Ram. So, in our minds, auxiliary lighting is a no-brainer for our Ram project. Whether you're navigating a trail to a campsite or in need of some extra illumination for the work site, the right lighting sure comes in handy at some point. The biggest question is, which lights are the right lights? Fortunately, Summit Racing makes a variety of rugged, bright, and yes, very affordable lights for all your needs. The built-in double-row LED light bar that came with our T-Rex Stealth Laser Torch Series grille was a good start. We then added a 30-inch Summit LED light bar into the front bumper. These bars use quality LED chips with a tempered glass lens, all surrounded by an aluminum housing for durability and excellent heat dissipation. They are IP67 rated to offer lasting service and include the wiring harness, light switch, and mounting brackets to make the installation a breeze. We complemented the light bar with a set of LED off-road lights to provide additional illumination. So the next question is how are we going to control all our lights? Wait a second, that's better. The solution was actually very easy with our Trigger 6-shooter control module. The module uses Bluetooth and RF technology and a wireless remote rocker that can be mounted inside the truck without drilling into the firewall. All we had to do is wire the lights to the control box. The system comes with everything you need to make it painless, including long wiring harnesses with mating connectors to the control box. The box itself is fully epoxy filled for heat dissipation and water and shock proofing, and it comes with two 30 amp circuits, two 10 amp circuits, and two 5 amp circuits for accessory control needs. All your switches are contained in this nice little wireless panel. If you don't want to use your switch panel, then you can use Trigger's app. It controls your lights all the same. In the app, you can name your accessories, adjust your brightness, use the strobe function, and also set a battery voltage cutoff, so your lights don't make your truck go dead. Lights installed and our Trigger controller wired up. What's next for our Ram project? Check out the next episode to find out. I'm Justin with Summit Racing. Thanks for watching.